Hey guys, today we're going to do 3 linear functions and slope-intercept form. You will be able to graph linear equations and you will be able to write equations of lines. The essential understanding. Consider a non-vertical line in the coordinate plane. If you move from any point on the line to another point on the line, the ratio of vertical change to horizontal change is constant. That constant ratio is the slope of the line. So slope is the slope of a non-vertical line through points x1, y1, and x2. y2 is the ratio of vertical change to the corresponding horizontal change. So we do the vertical change, which is y2 minus y1, over the horizontal change, which is x2 minus x1. We can't have a horizontal change of 0. And this is what we always used to remember slope as rise over run. What is the slope of the line that passes through the given points? Remember, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This will be point 1, this will be point 2, so 4 minus 7 over negative 2 minus negative 3. Negative 3 over 1, which is negative 3. So our slope is negative 3. Point 1, point 2. 1 minus 1 over negative 4 minus 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. Anything divided by 0 divided by anything is 0. So we have a slope of 0. And the last one, 1 minus negative 3 over 7 minus 7 is equal to 4 over 0. Anything divided by 0 is undefined. So the concept summary, slopes of a line. We could have a positive slope when the line rises from left to right. We have a negative slope when the line falls from left to right. We have a 0 slope if we have a horizontal line. And we have a vertical, when we have a vertical line, we have an undefined slope. A function whose graph is a line is a linear function. We can represent a linear function with a linear equation such as y is equal to 6x minus 4. A solution of a linear equation is an ordered pair, x, y, which makes the equation true. A special form of a linear equation is called slope-intercept form. An intercept of a line is a point where the line crosses an axis. The y-intercept of a non-vertical line is the point at which the line crosses the y-axis. The x-intercept is where the line crosses the x-axis. Slope-intercept form of an equation is the wonderful equation y equals mx plus b. M is our slope, and b is our y-intercept, and we would write the y-intercept as the coordinates 0, b. Writing linear equation. What is an equation of each line? M equals 1/5, and the y-intercept is 0, negative 3. So this is the b part, this is the m. Y is equal to 1/5 x minus 3. Here we have our y-intercept of 4, so that's b. Our slope is rise, 1, 2, 3, negative 3 over 1, which are negative 3. So our equation, y is equal to m, negative 3x plus 4. You can rewrite a linear equation in slope-intercept form by solving for y. So if it's not given to us in slope-intercept form, we can rearrange and solve for y to have it in slope-intercept form. Just a reminder, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. I want y by itself, so I'm going to subtract 5x. Negative 4y is equal to negative 5x plus 16. Divide by negative 4. Y is equal to, I want to divide that 4 into both terms, so negative 5 divided by negative 4 is 5/4 x minus 16 divided by negative 4, which is negative 4. Here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add 3/4 x, 1/2 y is equal to 3/4 x minus 1, multiply by 2 to get y by itself, so y is equal to 3/2x minus 2, because I distributed that 2. Graphing a linear equation. It's easiest if we put this into slope-intercept form and then use the slope and y-intercept, so plus 2x on both sides. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. That means my y-intercept is 1. So on my graph, I'm going to go up 1 and make a point. And my slope is 2, which is 2/1. So I go up 2 to the right 1, up 2 to the right 1. I could also go down 2 to the left 1. Then I connect. My points, and I graphed my linear equation. You guys try numbers 1 and 6.